Wow, this hotel room is huge. So I guess there's a light switch here. It says main on off. That didn't make it too much brighter, but that is better. So now you can see it. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a room tour before I empty all of my stuff. So right off to the side is the bathroom. So it's actually quite spacious. It looks like the shelf may be missing, or a towel bar. So this is what it looks like in here. It's kind of echoey, sorry about that. This is like solid wood. And then here is the toiletries, in case you're curious. I'm always curious myself. So it looks like they have multi-use containers, which is wonderful. It's really well designed. Over here is the shower. So it's a pretty big shower actually. So looks like they could do a little bit more to wash the shower head, but it is fine. Just as long as the floor is clean. I did bring my own flip-flops though. Okay, so here's the entryway. So over here is, looks to be a closet. Really big closet. Here is the mini bar, hello. Okay, so we will not be taking any of those mini bar things, but here is the coffee situation. Could have brought some Nespresso pods. I wonder if we have to pay for the ones that are in there, I'm curious. Then here are some cups and mugs. It looks like there are 3 cups and only 2 mugs. Good thing my dad doesn't drink coffee. So I'm not gonna eat obviously from the mini bar because I'm not rich, but also there's a grocery store really close by. So this is like another closet, I think. Safe. What is in here? Oh, slippers, nice. A couple of robes. Here is the dry cleaning info. This hotel room is huge. I don't know how to say that. There's also an ironing board and an iron up top there as well. Okay. Over here, end table, couple of beds. So I got the 2 queen bed. I think there was also a king option if you had only a couple people or just one person. Large writing desk. It's huge, really solid wood. Hello. Live plant in here. Bench. Writing desk. Quite cute. So this is actually the artwork behind the front desk, if you're curious. Wow. I didn't notice that the first time I did my walkthrough. What is this? Ooh. Water. Okay, so No Goodbyes is the name of their restaurant here. It's on a bunch of lists if you're into restaurants. They serve dinner from 5 until 10. There's also brunch available. And then for happy hour, I guess it's from 3 until 6. And then on top of that, there's also a bar that the person said is open until 10. And that is some other info in there that I wasn't aware of. And then room service is available until 10, and there's also a cafe for breakfast in the morning. Over here is some decor, some books in case we want to read. They seem a little intense to me. I'm reading the schmuck in my office, so this here is a nice armchair. Little doily. The other bed situation, side table. I like the hanging lamps actually. I wish I could do that in my apartment. And then here is the view. So I pulled open the curtains a little bit. It's not like looking at the White House or the Capitol, but it is quite nice. It's a little bit more residential than a lot of the other areas in DC, but this is a pretty nice view. Let me spin you around so you can see the full effect here. This is how big the hotel is. It's definitely bigger than my apartment, which is why I'm so excited by it. So this was a great deal. I got it on Hotwire. It was just the luck of a draw. They had like 3 options that we could have gotten, and this was the one we ended up with. So hopefully this was a helpful sort of review. I'm gonna go to some of the other common areas and try to film if available, and nobody else is in there. So maybe show you later. I also forgot to show you, I think this is a hair dryer down here in case you dry your hair and did not bring your own. So let me see what brand it is and give you the details. Because I know some people care about these things. It's just like a generic hair dryer, it looks like. And these, I don't know. Going to explore the hotel a little bit. Okay, I came down to look at the basement, which is the fitness area. I thought it was just gonna be a room, but it is actually state of the art. There's no one down here, by the way. But there are tons of equipment down here. So here is like some rowers, it looks like. Some things for like yoga, Pilates, weight balls. I like how I know all these terms. Treadmills. Spinning bikes, that thing for wrestling for football players. A lot of weight stuff, tons of weight stuff. So it looks like HIIT, is that it? High intensity thing. Ellipticals. Over here, there is a Peloton, so I might actually try that out because I'm kind of curious to know if it's actually worth it. Because I'm trying to replace, you know, the exercise equipment in my room. I want to get a bike instead. A bunch of weights here. Wow. A lot of weights. They have something for everyone. This is really state of the art. Thought they were not joking when they said that. I'm gonna go up to the first floor now.